I will start by adding solder to the legs on both sides of the chip. Then I will run my iron over the legs to heat up the solder and loosen the chip from the board. I will remove it with my tweezers. We accidentally got some solder on another part of the board while removing this IC. I will use my solder wick and iron to clean it up. I will use my solder wick and iron to clean up the pads underneath the IC. Then I will use isopropyl alcohol and the brush to clean up the pads. Get the replacement IC correctly aligned on the board. Pin 1 on the chip shows a dot, and that dot should be placed in the corner as shown on the board. Once the chip is aligned, place the tweezers on top of it to hold it securely to the board, and then run the flux pen over the legs. While still holding it in place with the tweezers, extend some of the solder on your roll. Then touch the iron to the solder to get a little bit on the iron, and then run the tip of the iron over the legs of the IC. This will solder it to the board. Be sure there are no solder bridges.